May mga salitang hindi madaling sabihin. May mga damdamin na hindi kayang ipahayag ng harapan. But here in this space, your heart speaks freely, anonymously. Welcome to Love Anonymous, kung saan ang mga lihim na damdamin ay nagkakaroon ng tinig. Ako si Zane, and in every episode, we open letters filled with love, regret, longing, and closure. Baka kwento mo, baka kwento ko, o baka kwento ng isang taong minsan mong nakilala. Because sometimes, the words we can say are the ones that matter the most. Ngayong gabi, pakinggan natin ang isang kwentong maaaring tumugma sa tibok ng iyong puso. The message for today is to my younger self from Miss Anonymous. Dear younger me, if I could sit beside you now, I wouldn't rush to change your choices. I know each one made you into the person I am today, but I would hold your hand tightly and say this: you are enough. I know you feel like you're always trying to prove something, trying to be loved, to be noticed, to be perfect, but you don't need to earn your worth. You were never meant to carry everyone's expectations. You're just a child trying to be strong for others. You should have been allowed to just be. Please know that the people who left, it wasn't your fault. And the ones who made you feel small, they didn't see your light. But I see it now, and I wish I could have told you earlier how deeply you deserve peace, love, and softness. Take your time, cry when you need to, laugh when you feel right. Don't rush healing. And please be kinder to yourself. One day, you'll learn to love who you are. I'm still learning it too, but we're getting there. Love, me from the future. That was today's anonymous letter. Minsan, may mga bagay tayong hindi kayang sabihin ng direkta. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na hindi sila mahalaga. If this story resonated with you, if may naalala kang tao, or if meron kang sariling liham na gusto mong ipadala, send it our way. Your words, your truth, your heart, anonymously. Follow and share Love Anonymous sa Facebook page para hindi po ma-miss ang next episode. Until next time, hayaang marinig ang hindi masabi. Dahil may mga salitang mas madaling ibulong sa kawalan.